Welcome to this video on refrigeration capacity and the history of the cooling ton. We will explore the journey from ice harvesting to modern HVAC size. A question we often hear is why we measure cooling capacity in tons, as air conditioners don't actually weigh a ton. The term ton measures heat removal, not physical equipment weight. The ice trade began in 1806 when Frederic Tudor shipped harvested ice from Massachusetts. Early engineers used these physical tons of ice to cool large buildings. Thus, the ton originally measured the weight of the delivered ice. Ice absorbs heat to melt, which is measured in British thermal units or BTUs. 1 BTU raises the temperature of 1 pound of water by 1 degree Fahrenheit. Latent heat is the heat absorbed during the phase change without temperature change. Engineers standardized the cooling rate over a 24-hour period. 1 ton of ice, or 2,000 pounds, multiplied by the latent heat of 144 BTU per pound equals 288,000 BTUs. Dividing this by 24 hours gives 12,000 BTU per hour. Therefore, 1 refrigeration ton equals 12,000 BTU per hour. Willis Carrier invented mechanical air conditioning in 1902. These electrical machines removed heat similarly to melting ice. Engineers rated these new machines against the established ice standard. Proper tonnage is crucial for comfort and efficiency. Too little tonnage means constant running, while too much cools too quickly, leaving damp air. A basic rule of thumb is to estimate 500 square feet per ton. HVAC professionals use the manual J standard to precisely calculate the total cooling load. This method factors in base room area, ceiling height, occupants, windows, and exterior doors. A chiller's actual performance can vary, meaning a 100-ton chiller doesn't always produce 100 tons of cooling. Nominal tonnage is a static rating based on standard conditions, while actual tonnage is a variable rating heavily dependent on field conditions. The HVAC industry has returned to ice storage air conditioning. Chillers run at night to freeze water during off-peak hours. The melting ice then cools the building during daytime peak electrical loads. The 19th century ice metric, the refrigeration ton, still dictates the math for modern thermodynamics, equaling 12,000 BTU per hour. Ice defined the past, dictates the math, and helps protect the future power grid.